Even though it was only half an hour, I enjoyed it very much. It's so beautiful here! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! It was very healing and immersive. There was a lot of interaction on the floor and walls. Although one of the male staff members was not very friendly, I still liked the thoughtful content and was very happy to be here. There is an immersive interaction with the story, colorful and well-saturated, rich and full of variety. The venue is not small, you can run, jump and touch as you like, as if you were in the scene. I absolutely love the immersive interactive exhibition. Fortunately, it was just the two of us during our visit, giving us exclusive access to the entire venue in a truly private, 5-star experience. The experience was great, but it didn't last long and there weren't many people there that day. So I took a lot of photos. The ticket price is not cheap, but you can take your children to see it. The Wandering Gaia is an imaginative science fiction work that interweaves delicate emotions with grand narrative, depicting the Earth's magnificent journey wandering in the universe. The story incorporates the relationship between humans and nature, revealing the deep contradiction between technology and the environment. The characters are clearly drawn, and each character carries expectations and fears about the future, allowing the audience to empathize with them. The special effects scenes are extremely shocking, showing the spectacular scene of the Earth sailing among the stars. At the same time, the plot is fast-paced and full of emotional tension. It is a masterpiece that is both in-depth and entertaining, making people reflect on the possibilities of the future. I didn't have high expectations at first, I just wanted to spend the cultural coupons, but I didn't expect this immersive interactive exhibition to be unexpectedly fun. The scene is big and beautiful, and it's very suitable for taking pictures. I like the scene inside the spaceship the best, it's very cool. The interaction is also quite interesting. It can trigger some alien creatures to interact with you. Overall, it is a good experience. It's a very novel exhibition experience. Each scene is beautifully designed and there are many interactive mechanisms inside, so you won't get bored. You can choose small tasks before entering, and you will receive cute badges for completing the tasks, which is not bad. Recommend to good friends or couples to go together during winter vacation. It's really fun and it runs around like crazy. The scenes are beautifully designed and have a magical feel, so both kids and adults can have a blast. I really like this kind of immersive exhibition. It's very special and fun. You can interact and tap the screen, and there will be surprises. It's worth watching.